First, we import the report Web Vitals function from the Next.Vitals package provided by Next.js. This function allows us to hook into performance metrics for our application. Next, we define and export our custom report Web Vitals function. This function will be called every time Next.js records a Web Vital metric, passing an object representing the metric as an argument. Within this function, we specify an endpoint URL. This represents where we want to send the Web Vitals metrics data for further analysis or storage. We construct the payload as a stringified JSON object containing the metric's name, value, and id. The value is converted to a string to ensure the correct data format for transmission. We use the navigator sendBeacon method if it's available. This method allows the data to be sent to the server asynchronously and is especially useful when sending data as the page is unloading. For browsers where navigator sendBeacon is not available, we fall back to a traditional fetch request, setting the method to post, the keepAlive flag to true, and the appropriate content type header. The keepAlive flag allows the browser to send the request even if the user navigates away from the page. This closes the conditional block, ensuring that we correctly handle the reporting of Web Vitals metrics across different browser capabilities. Later, in your _app.js, you would import the report Web Vitals function from the file where you've defined it. Now we define the custom app component, which wraps the entire application in Next.js. This function receives the current pages component and page props as arguments. To set up Web Vitals reporting, pass your reporting function. In this case, we're using console log for demonstration purposes. This will log every metric to the console as it's recorded. Lastly, we render the application by returning the current pages component with its props. At this point, Web Vitals are being monitored, and metrics are reported using our custom function, enriching our understanding of the app's real user performance.